Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy, bath, and beauty products. Today we're going to be making a cold process soap. This particular soap I found the recipe for in Anne-Marie from Brambleberry's book, Pure Soap Making. It is an all-natural soap based on a Savon type soap. Savon is a region of France, and they've been making this olive oil and sea salt soap for hundreds of years. So for this version, you're going to use olive oil as the only part of your soap base. And then in your lye water solution, there's also sea salt. That's going to help get the bar nice and hard. Olive oil is great on the skin, so it's a very nice all-natural bar that gets better with age. And we're gonna scent it with a combination of orange and black pepper. So it'll be kind of a spicy citrus scent. So to get started, I'm gonna take my lye water and pour it into my olive oil. Now it did actually take quite a bit of time to get the sea salt to dissolve in my distilled water. But besides that, the rest of this recipe is pretty simple. So we have that in there. And then we're going to go ahead and just give it a quick blend. Tap out any air bubbles there may be. Tiny bit more. The oil and the lye water solution all blended together. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my fragrance. Now the orange will discolor the bar slightly, but it'll make